Why will you insist on building condominium? Dahil kikita ka doon sa contractor ng condominium na may porsyento ka doon, kaya pinag-i-insist mo yung condominium. Bakit pinaprioritize yung middle class when your mandate is to help the poor and the homeless? Dapat yun ang first priority.
Kahit sa condominium, sinasabi nga po ng DSUD na pati ang condominium ay for the poor as long as may interest subsidy.
So, mahal ang condominium eh. So, it's not for the poor and the homeless. Paalisin sila doon sa lupa na tinitirhan nila, tatayuan ng condominium, hindi naman nila kaya yung condominium, where will they go? Mr. President, the target market is the poor and the homeless, di ba? Of DSUD. It's not the middle class. Can I get an answer from that? Kasi yung binasang mandate ni Senate Minority Pro Leader,